Hello, sir.
Hi.
Welcome to Uddipan. So we are very glad to have you here. Then you will introduce yourself and the company you are showcasing here.
Yeah, my name is Anup Singhal. I am a director of CRP Robots. Yeah. So we are a company from China and we produce welding robots, handling robots, all kind of robots we produce in China. And this is our welding robot 6-axis, which we are displaying here. Although we have shown the welding application, but this robot can do welding, handling, pelletizing, pick and place, painting. So all the major industrial applications we can do. This robot is being used in industry, not for domestic use.
Oh,
So we have robots, we have cobots also, collaborative robots also, which can work together with the human beings. So our company is producing 10,000 robots per year, and we are one of the largest company in China. And we are setting up a factory in Shanghai where robots will be making robots. So it will be a smart factory which will be ready by next year, 2026.
so it's a multi-purpose thing right here.
Yeah.
But can you elaborate more about the robot?
Yeah, robot is basically a programmable machine. So we are producing industrial robots which can do multiple applications like handling, pick and place, painting, pelletizing, forging applications, and welding, cutting,
Yes.
and different kind of weldings like MIG welding, TIG welding, laser welding, laser cuttings. So this is a very new field. Laser is really growing in India.
Yes.
And we have thin sheet applications where very small components are there and you need very high strength. So there we have the robotic laser welding and laser cutting packages. And here we are showing this is a welding torch, this is a 6-axis robot, then this is a wire feeder, then this is a complete accessories, then controller, then that is a teach pendant which can be used to program this machine. Basically, robot can be controlled with the help of this teach pendant, and this is the human interface.
Oh,
Means whatever we want to communicate to the robot, this can be controlled by this. So you have to increase the speed, decrease the speed, do the programming. Everything is done with this interface device, which is called as teach pendant.
that sounds great and dynamic to me, sir. So for this event, what basically motivated you to come here and showcase the multi-purpose robot of ours?
So we were discussing with your management to have some kind of memorandum of undertaking where we can do some kind of association with your college, because your college is going to have a technical university in future.
Yeah.
So we want to be a partner
Yeah,
with your college or your university for robotics.
definitely.
So that was the idea, but in between that
Yeah.
exercise was going on, this event has come.
Yes.
So we thought let's participate, because your college was calling maybe 500 plus MSMEs here.
Yeah.
So our idea was to display our robots, because these robots are very much suitable for MSMEs, small and medium scale industries, which are trying to develop themselves, convert themselves from manual operations to robotics and automation. And we have very cost effective solutions, as well as we have some kind of arrangements where financing can be done. Although Indian government is also giving so many kind of financial supports now for MSMEs. So many programs are there which can be used to develop MSMEs from manual to automation. So that was the basic idea, and we thought, okay, let's display our robot here.
Yes, sir. I mean, that's a great initiative. So, any feedback you would want to say about the event and the people, the walk-ins here?
Yeah, so we can see that there is a lots of crowd is here, and really PIBM has really tried. I think this will be one of the
Yes.
very first kind of their exhibitions where they have done the participation of the industry as well as the
Participation.
students also. So it is a good initiative. Maybe in future, it can be done in a more better way.
Yeah.
In better way in terms of more association of the industry.
Definitely.
The visitors should be more from industry rather than students. Definitely are there,
Yes, yes.
and we want to definitely, these are the future of India. That's good, but
It's already the space for improvement, definitely.